Very good evening, class 10. So yesterday I discussed the basics of this chapter, that is Introduction to Trigonometry, and I also discussed regarding this one, how to remember the trigonometric ratios. Pandit Badri, P for Pandit, B for Badri, P for Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. S for sine, C for cos, T for tan. Opposite of sine is cos, that is opposite of so we can see the abbreviations, short forms which are used, right? So what are the short forms? Sine, sin, cosine, cos, 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 tangent, tan, cosecant, cosec, secant, sec, and cotangent, cot. So these are the abbreviations, and yesterday there was a slight mistake. Okay, so here opposite of sine is cosec, opposite of cos is sec, and opposite of tan is cot. Okay, so do make the corrections yesterday, and nobody informed me in WhatsApp also, sir, there was a slight mistake. Now let us do some of the questions of the exercise of the NCERT book, right? It's a new chapter, but it's not at all difficult, right? If you start understanding, it will become easier for you. Now first question, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB 24, BC 7, determine sin A cos A, second sin C cos C. You need to draw the diagram, a rough diagram. So let us say ABC is the triangle right angle at B according to question. Now we need to find AC, the hypotenuse. AB and BC is given, so by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can see AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, AC equals to 25. I hope you are well comfortable with Pythagoras theorem. So bhali janis. Now bas, after finding the hypotenuse, just use the formulas of trigonometric ratios. Sin A. Now here you have to be careful. বার বার করে বলছি, যেটা আমি বোঝাতে চাইছি ভালো করে বুঝে যাবে। Sin A, A is the theta, যেটা থিটা হবে সেই দিকটা নিচেরটা বেস হবে। A যখন বলছে AB টা হচ্ছে বেস, A যখন বলছে AB টা হচ্ছে বেস। তো sin থিটা কি হয়? sin থিটা is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular? BC by hypotenuse AC. You can see BC by AC 7 by 25. Similarly cos A. Now sin C, when sin C, theta is C, then base will become BC. When theta is C, base will become BC and AB will become the perpendicular. এটা মাথায় রাখবে, এটা নালে গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাবে, এটা বারবার করে শুনে নাও কিন্তু। So again sin theta, same. What is sin theta? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now in this case perpendicular will be AB and hypotenuse AC. Hypotenuse will remain same in all case. खाली base আর perpendicular টা change হয়ে যায় according to theta. According to that only cos C is equal to sin by 25. Right? So use of Pythagoras theorem and use of trigonometric ratios. Number 2, question number 2 says, in figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Now at first we need to find the base QR. So again by applying Pythagoras theorem, QR equals to 5. This will become 5. Now tan theta is equal to tan P. Tan P means PQ is the base. Tan P means P is the theta, PQ is the base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? QR by base PQ. QR by PQ minus cot R. Cot theta, cot is cot R. Cot theta is opposite of tan. Means tan theta is perpendicular base. Cot is base by perpendicular. Now cot R means this is the base, QR. So QR base by perpendicular, QR by PQ. Put the values, both are same, 0. Clear? Similarly, Third, sin A 3 by 4. Sin theta equals to, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So draw the triangle. For this, draw the triangle. Find the third side. যেটা বেস হাইট যেটা দেওয়া নেই সেটা বার করবে পাইথাগোরাস থিওরেম থেকে, বাকি তোমরা রেশিও ইউজ করলেই করতে পারবে। Similarly, fifth one also, sec theta is given 13 by 12. Calculate all the trigonometric ratios. তাহলে বাকি sec theta দেখতে হবে। What is sec theta? Sec theta is equal to sin cos tan. Sec theta is BC by AB. BC by AB means perpendicular by base. Sec theta कार opposite. Sec theta cos theta. Cos theta base by hypotenuse. এটা হচ্ছে hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse আর base is given. তোমাকে perpendicular বার করে নিতে হবে, বাকি রেশিও দিয়ে হয়ে যাবে। Alright, so most of the cases you need to find the missing value by Pythagoras theorem. দিয়ে যেগুলো কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে সেই ভ্যালুটা বার করতে হবে, put them, আর এখানে কোশ্চেন 7 সলভ করতে হবে। রাইট, আরেকটা কোশ্চেন নিয়ে আমরা কোশ্চেন 6টা নিচ্ছি। What is question 6? Question 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, দুটি acute আর cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A equals to angle B. This one is a bit different, সেজন্য এটা নিচ্ছে, এটা একটু আলাদা। Now in this case, so cos A equals to cos B given, so let us make two triangles, APQ and BCD. Now according to this, cos A means, what is cos A? Cos means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So base is AP, by hypotenuse AQ. AP by AQ. Similarly cos B, BC by BD, hypotenuse. Alright. Now this equals to, now by interchanging the places, cross multiplication, BC cross multiplied here, AQ here. That means AP by BC equals to AQ by BD. Now let AP by BC equals to AQ by BD equals to a constant K. দুটি সমান হচ্ছে constant K. It may be 1 or 2 or 3 or root 3, root 2 যাই হোক। দুটি যখন সমান equals to constant K. Therefore by cross multiplying AP equals to BCK, AQ equals to BDK by KBD. Now let this equation be 1. Now triangle APQ and BCD. PQ by CD. PQ by CD. Corresponding sides. Now PQ by Pythagoras theorem, PQ is equal to hypotenuse QA square minus PA square. AQ square minus AP square. Similarly CD is equal to BD square minus BC square. BD minus BC square. Now putting the values of AQ, KBD and AP, KBC, what do we get? After taking common, K square will become common. K square দুটো দিই, K square BD square, K square BC square. So K square will become common, ওটা root বেরিয়ে যাবে, K আর BD square minus B square থেকে যাবে, both will cancel হয়ে যাবে দুটি, BD square by BC square. So that means PQ by CD equals to K. So this is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, what can we infer? কি বুঝতে পারছি? That AP by BC equals to AQ by BD equals to PQ by CD. ভালো করে এটা দেখবে কিন্তু। That means we know that if the corresponding sides are equal, then the triangles are similar. Side, similarity criteria. Now similar triangles, corresponding sides and angles are also equal. Thus, angle A equals to angle B. এটা একটু ভালো করে বুঝে করবে। Question 8টা একটু দেখে নিই। If 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether this equals to this or not. ঠান্ডা মাথায় করতে হবে। Now, this is given, that means cot A equals to 3টা নিচে ডিভাইড হয়ে যাচ্ছে 4 by 3. Cot is opposite of tan, tan হচ্ছে perpendicular by base. দেখি একবার, tan হচ্ছে perpendicular base, cot হচ্ছে base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular, that is 4K হচ্ছে base, আর perpendicular 3K. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find AC 5K. Now putting the values here, The tan A is perpendicular base, perpendicular is 3k by base 4k. 3k by 4k means k तो eliminate हो जाए 3 by 4. ठीक है जी, 3 by 4. Similarly here also, putting the values of tan A, squaring and solving, we are getting 7 by 25. So একদিকে LHS solve হয়ে গেছে. RHS, cos A. What is cos A? Cos theta, cos base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So base 4k by hypotenuse 5k, that is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 square minus sine 3 by 5 square. After solving we are getting 7 by 25. Therefore both are equal. Solve this exercise, take time, right? Take your time, and in case of any problem, contact me. Okay? Thank you very much.